Hi, this is Bobs from Bobs and Lolo, and I'm super excited to be a Mombassador this year from Easy Daysies. And today we received a package in the mail. Let's open it up.
What do you guys think's in there?
I think this one is a big rainbow.
A big rainbow? That would be pretty cool if we opened this up and a giant rainbow came out of it.
Mommy, open this could be.
What do you think? What could be in there? I don't know.
Hello.
Do you want to have a look?
Yeah.
What is this one? It's pink. Some kind
It's a new water bottle.
It's a new water bottle. Wow,
Let's
that's
see
pretty
what
special.
Let's
We'll have to
see
put some yummy drinks in there.
I think it's actually a rainbow.
Oh my goodness.
What is it?
Look, there's rainbow.
Daddy, this! Oh no!
You think that's for you?
Yeah.
That looks like
Mommy,
some
book!
magnets.
Mommy, book!
Oh,
Book!
it's a book. Look at that, Zai.
Look at that.
And then there's magnetic daily schedules. Make your bed, get dressed, breakfast, brush your teeth, pack your backpack, and go to school. Awesome.
Okay,
That will keep us organized, won't it?
Can I have these two?
Oh, this is a to-do list for in your
Mommy,
day.
mine-
You say what you have to do, and then you're done when you're done. It's really awesome. What's this one? This is a... Oh, look, breakfast, school, homework. This is all the things you need to do in the day.
This one.
Super cool. This is... Oh, this is a French version? Oh, I think there's French and English. That's brilliant. Bathroom routine. Okay, so there's brushing your teeth, which we just did, and had breakfast and got dressed. So cool.
Can we
That's so
open these up?
awesome. Yeah, we're gonna open them up. But first we need to say a big thank you to Easy Daysies for all these cool things that we're gonna try out.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for my magnets.
Thank you, Easy Daysies.
Yay! How do
Now.
you do this? Look at.
Oh, here's some magnets too.
But I need these ones.
Oh, I think you get to write on that one.
Backpack, dinner, juice it up with bread, and clean up. Bath for nighttime, and bed
Cool.
in the morning. Thank you, Easy Daisies.
Thank you, Easy Daisies. Whoa, look at these big ones.
Can I have a big one?
Field trip on the school bus.
Yay.